Today I'm going to make some aromatic Christmas ornaments. You can use these for hanging on a tree or for a wall hanging. And most of the ingredients you will find right in your kitchen. So right here I have 1 1/3 cups of flour. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of salt. And then I have 1/2 tablespoon of ground allspice, 1/2 tablespoon of ground cloves, and 1/8 of a cup of cinnamon. Gosh, that smells good. And we'll mix that up carefully. And today I'm going to cook these in the microwave. You can do it in the oven as well, and I will talk about temperature in a little bit. I have 2/3 of a cup of water. Now if your dough ends up too sticky, you add a little bit more flour, or if it's too stiff, you add a little bit more, a few drops of water at a time. I have a feeling I will be adding a little bit more water to this. Sometimes I find measuring in these glass cups not as precise as measuring in the 1/3 of a cup measurements. Just going to add a few drops at a time. I don't want it to get too sticky. I've got the dough all mixed up, and I've sprinkled some flour here. And I'm just going to knead this until it is smooth. Well, I have finished kneading the dough. I'm just going to take part of this, and I'm going to put the rest in a plastic bag so it doesn't dry out while I'm working with this. And I'm just going to roll it out. You want to roll it about a 1/4 of an inch thick. Now, I don't have very many cookie cutters. I've got a gingerbread man and some round ones. That's it. So, gingerbread man. Dough from around them. Then you take a straw. Maybe this one will be better. Okay. You're kind of funny looking. Oh well. And in here I have just sprayed some vegetable oil in a glass pan. And we'll put these in here. Roll a little bit of a snake here. You just decorate them how you want. Just going to roll out a little bit more. Now here I am making ornaments. I don't own a Christmas tree. We don't do Christmas gifts. We just have a nice meal together. So there are my 6 ornaments I have made. So I'm just putting them in the microwave here. And they're going to go on for 5 minutes at power level 3. Now if you cook them in the oven, you cook them at 300 degrees for 3 to 4 hours. Well, this is the first time I've ever cooked dough crafts or ornaments in a microwave. It took 15 minutes so far, but I'm going to put them on the rack, and you dry them out for another 24 hours on the rack. So hopefully they will work. I think every microwave will vary. This is my attempt at microwave aromatic dough ornaments.